Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're taking a look at the 3.5-inch HD FPV Cinematic drone, a compact yet capable machine designed for capturing quality aerial footage. This drone presents itself in a sleek black finish, measuring in at a manageable 8 by 2 by 8 inches, making it quite portable for its class. It's constructed primarily from plastic, which helps keep the weight down while still feeling robust enough for flight. One of the standout features highlighted is its enhanced stability. The design incorporates a hollow structure, which, combined with noise reduction technology, contributes significantly to smooth and steady flights. This is crucial for cinematic shots where jerky movements can ruin the footage. Adding to this stability is the inclusion of GPS, providing reliable positioning and hold, which is a major plus for both beginners and experienced pilots looking for predictable flight characteristics. Performance is driven by a high-performance motor and propeller combination. This pairing ensures the drone has the necessary power for dynamic maneuvers while maintaining stability, allowing it to handle various flight conditions effectively. It's described as offering both stable and powerful flights, which is a good balance for a drone intended for both cinematic and freestyle use. Ease of use seems to be a key consideration in its design. The power cable and battery installation method are noted as convenient, simplifying the setup process before getting airborne. Data management is also made straightforward thanks to the O3 Air unit, which features both memory card and USB ports. This means transferring your captured HD footage is a simple plug-and-play operation, whether you prefer using an SD card or a direct USB connection. The drone supports SD media types for storage. Speaking of versatility, this drone is pitched as being capable of both cinematic and freestyle flight. This dual capability makes it suitable for a wide range of aerial tasks, from capturing sweeping, smooth video sequences to performing more agile and dynamic maneuvers. It's positioned for an adult age range, suggesting it's not a toy but a serious tool for aerial videography and piloting. The package comes complete with essential components, including propellers, remote control, a memory card to get you started with storage, the battery, and of course, the camera itself, ensuring you have what you need to fly and record right out of the box. Overall, this 3.5-inch drone appears to pack significant features into a small form factor, focusing on stability and ease of use for capturing quality footage.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.